Okay, all right. How to secure a steady income stream for life without worrying about market volatility and why waiting too long can cause your family's future. Ready ka na bang makinig para matuto? Ito yung mga matutunan mo into this very short session. Paano ka makakabuo ng steady cash flow for your life kahit bumagal yung negosyo mo o bumaba ang market? Ano yung mga sikreto ng ating mga successful, smart executives at business owners kung paano nila pinoprotektahan ang family nila habang nag-iipon for their retirement? And kung bakit ang guaranteed income strategy ay may stress-free kumpara sa puro volatile na investments tulad ng stocks markets, cryptocurrencies. So let me ask you this. Kung bukas biglang bumagal ang iyong negosyo o mawala yung active income mo, kaya ba ng ipon mo to sustain yung lifestyle na ine-enjoy ng family mo ngayon or to protect your family's future? Para sa karamihan, itong question na 'to, sigurado ako, ito yung usual kasi na sagot 'no, hindi sigurado. And that uncertainty usually creates stress. But what if may paraan para magkaroon ka ng guaranteed na income stream? Steady cash flow or guaranteed steady cash flow na continuous or tuloy-tuloy kahit tapos ka ng magtrabaho or kahit sa tingin mo very successful, very stable na yung business profit na pumapasok sa business natin. Alam nating lahat na yung stock market, cryptocurrencies, or real estate, no, they can grow your money. That's correct. No, yes, true. Pero sometimes 'no, very volatile lalo na yung mga stock market 'no, na savvy, yung investment savvy talaga na nagpe-play sa stock market. Hindi siya predictable, eh, kasi minsan isang araw tataas yung price per unit tapos the following day babagsak na naman yung price per unit or yung NAV po natin. So as a business owner or, executive 'no, ayaw mo nung ganong type ng risk or klase ng risk, tama po ba? Pagdating sa, security 'no, ng ating family. Because alam ko naman na all of us 'no, or even you po, most especially for you business owners that you are really working so hard 'no, para may maiwan para sa family. Actually, madami na rin po akong mga clients 'no, na mga business owners, successful business owners, and usually 'pag tinatanong ko, "Why you are working so hard?" No, yung very common na, "Para sa kanino ka bumabangon?" Yung the Nescafe na advertisement 'no. So you work too hard no, to leave things, to have that security no, ng family. So, the question is, you work too hard to leave things uncertain? Tama ba? Of course not, no? So, yung goal ko, no, for you today is very simple, no? To help you understand how to create that steady, guaranteed cash flow for life, while of course protecting your family at the same time. Okay, this video, of course, is for business owners na gustong ma-secure na may fallback na plan, okay? Business owners na gustong secured na fallback na plan, okay? Executives earning 200,000 plus monthly na gusto ng guaranteed, of course, legacy for their family as well. And professionals na sawa na sa volatile or stress-filled investment and want peace of mind. And of course, for breadwinners as well na gustong i-secure yung family nila at mag-build ng legacy at magkaroon ng steady cash flow. Pero lagi kang nagwo-worry about market volatility. As I mentioned a while ago, na example yung mga cryptocurrencies, 'di ba? And stocks market, business can slow down or the retirement funds that you save for a longer period of time, tas because of that uncertainty of the business, minsan nakukuha natin yung savings na nasa bank na dapat nakaalatin for the retirement. So ito yung mga matutunan mo dito, paano ka makabuo ng steady cash flow for your life kahit bumagal ang negosyo mo or bumaba ang market. Ang sikreto ng mga smart executives at business owners kung paano nila pinoprotektahan ng family nila habang nag-iipon for their retirement at kung bakit ang guaranteed income strategy ay may stress-free plan. Kumpara sa puro volatile na investments tulad ng stocks market or crypto. But before I will continue, let me introduce myself muna, no? I'm Norlin Balikat, a registered nurse and a branch manager of ProLife of UK. So, been in the industry for almost 12 years now. Multi-awarded financial advisors of international awards for leadership and qualified to company international trips. So, ito po yung mga countries na napuntahan ko because of my work as a financial advisors as a financial advisor sa ProLife of UK. Yan. So we do financial planning as well sa mga corporate, sa mga companies, free financial planning like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. Nagkakandak po kami ng free financial wellness sa mga employees, for their retirement fund, ganyan. Schools as well. Because of course, that's one of our advocacy sa company namin to spread financial literacy. So I've helped executives, I should say, and business leaders secure their guaranteed income strategies. I've been trusted in the financial industry for 12 years now, and I'm handling 500 clients and more, I should say. And I've worked with my clients making sure na may peace of mind sila pagdating sa kanilang financial future. First, paano ka makakabuo ng steady cash flow for life kahit bumagal ang negosyo o bumabay ang market? The truth is, lahat ng businesses at investments may season. Sometimes madami pong fold up na mga businesses after they putting the business 1 to 2 years. Why? Because of three reasons. Number one, lack of capital, yung market expertise, diba? And of course, the fund. Yes. So lahat ng business and investment, of course, may season. Minsan mataas ang kita, minsan mababa. So kapag nagkataon na bagsak ang market, wala kang, of course, choice kundi maghintay, no, bumawi ulit. Pero imagine kung may plan B ka na kahit anong mangyari, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung stream or pasok ng income or pera, no? That's what guaranteed payouts can do, no? Then, with the right strategy, starting year 6, may 5% annual cash payout ka every year hanggang age 100. In other words, kahit mahina ang business mo or very volatile ang stock market, secured ka pa rin. Parang nagsiset up ka ng sariling ATM na nagbabayad sa'yo for life. With ProLife of UK, we have this guaranteed plan na 5 years to pay or 10 years to pay depending on the term or payment terms ng client na magsisave. Then, ProLife will have that guaranteed, no, na payouts for you, for your business. So, yun nga, totoo po yun na parang magsiset up ka lang ng ATM machine, sariling ATM machine na magbabayad sa'yo for life. And that's guaranteed. So, the secret is, now let's talk about the secret of smart executives and business owners. Ano ba yung ginagawa nila para they will gonna protect, no, their family's future habang nag-iipon for their retirement? Simple lang, no, hindi sila umaasa sa isang source of income. Based on the survey recently, hindi na po talaga enough, no, having that one source of income or stream of income. Because, of course, the inflation rate in the Philippines sobrang ang taas. Roughly around nasa average of 4 to 5%, no, na inflation rate ngayon sa Pilipinas. Sobrang taas nung when we say inflation rate, we all know na ito yung price, no, over period of goods over period of time. They diversify, pero hindi lang sa risk investments. They also set aside money for guaranteed protection and guaranteed returns. Kahit gaano kalaki yung kita mo ngayon, kung wala kang safety net, okay? Isang health scare lang yung business natin pwedeng mag-slow down. I know a lot of business owners na nagsabi na sana noon pa, no, Norlene, kinausap mo na ako, hindi sana ako nakaranas or na-experience ng ganito. No? So, totoo po yun, yung sad events natin, sickness, accidents, disability, or even untimely death can really slow down the income of our business. Isang sakit lang kayang ma-wipe out yung savings sa family. I'm a registered nurse, so nag-work din po ako sa hospital, OR by profession, operating room nurse. very costly pa talaga yung magpa-hospital. Yeah, that's correct. And yung 1 million mo na savings mo, puwedeng actually it's not enough, no, to have that complete treatment, for example, na diagnosed for critical illness, cancer, something like that. The 1 million is really not enough. So isang health scare lang, your business can really slow down. Isang biglaang event, puwedeng maubos lahat ng ipon. So that's why the smart ones set up plans, no, na may number one, lifetime protection hanggang age 100. Number two, 200% benefit para sa family kung may mangyari. Ibig sabihin ng 200% times 2, whatever the coverage set on the contract, dahil 200% siya times 2 siya. And number three, of course, plus optional riders for accidents and disability. In short, kahit anong mangyari, secured pa rin yung family nila. And finally, bakit may stress-free ang guaranteed income strategy kumpara sa volatile investments tulad ng stocks or crypto? Kasi volatile markets is equal to emotional roller coaster. Kung hindi ka rin sanay na, kumbaga, talagang minomonitor mo from time to time yung investment mo sa stock market, kung hindi ka sanay, that will really create you know, yung totoo, yung emotional disaster or emotional roller coaster kasi what if mababa and you're not ready emotionally. So it will have that effect on you emotionally na puwedeng, 'di ba, yung masira yung buong araw mo because of that situation. So isang araw ang saya kasi mataas, kinabukasan puwedeng nandun yung panic mode kasi bumagsak. But if you cannot really have that, I mean, yung parang the knowledge, enough knowledge to really manage your own, no, investments via stocks market. So medyo hindi rin siya ganun ka-secured, no? You need the help of very experts investment or investors. Pero with pro-lifetime income, ibang-iba. Ito po yung pro-lifetime income, I can say this is one of the best product that we have in ProLife of UK right now kasi talagang may guaranteed na payout na kahit anong mangyari, tuloy-tuloy yung payouts mo. Imagine na sabi ni ProLife, you just need to pay me, either pipili ka 5 years or 10 years, then I will pay you for life. 'Di ba, na kahit although hindi natin alam, 'no, kung kailan tayo kukunin ni Lord or kailan tayo mate-taken out of the picture sa family. Pero you have that peace of mind, you have that security na kahit anong mangyari, there is an income, no, flowing, or there is an income from ProLife UK company na ibibigay sa family mo every year, and that's guaranteed, okay? With pro-lifetime income, ibang-iba, no? You have to have or you will be receiving a guaranteed 5% annual cash payout simula year 6 or on the 6th year of the policy hanggang mag-mature. And Miss Norlin, kailan ang maturity ng policy? Till age 100. Na ibig sabihin, kahit hindi ka na actively kumikita sa negosyo mo, o may papasok pa rin, meron pa ring papasok na pera taon-taon. Usually, binibigay po yung payout on the anniversary of the policy. Tuloy-tuloy yan hanggang age 100, whoever that insured is. So, yun, aside from that, there's also a 200% of the sum assured as the maturity or death benefit. So, kung may mangyari sa'yo, doble yung balik sa family mo, siguradong may maiwan kang legacy. For example, you was able to, okay, Miss Norlin, gusto ko magpa-insure ako ng, let's say, example lang po, 5 million, no? 5 million na life insurance coverage. With the 200%, ibig sabihin po, if something happens, God forbid, no, knock on wood, yung 5 million mo magiging 10 million. Yun ang death benefit na maiiwan mo sa family because 200%. So magta-times 2 po yung death benefit na coverage mo if something happens. And of course, there's also an unguaranteed dividend. So may potential dividends din siya, no? That you can actually do loans kung gusto mo siyang ano, kung if you are in need, aside from of course waiting for the payout every anniversary, and you are in need, you can actually do a loan on from your dividends. So there's a non-guaranteed dividends, earning potential dividends on your policy as well. Kung maganda ang performance ng company, no, may dagdag pa na on top of your guaranteed payouts, itong potential dividends. So para kang may bonus income as well. So aside from that, May flexible payment terms din siya. So, pipili po kayo ng 5 years or 10 years to save. So, Miss Nardin, sabi mo kanina, like 6 years po siya na mag-start ng payout. What if I will choose 10 years? So, hindi ko pa tapos yung plan. 10 years pa lang. Pagkaka-payout na ba talaga ako in the 6 years? Yes. Because that is the design of the plan, that there is a payout on the 6 year of the policy already. So flexible payment terms, 5 years ka or 10 years, then si Prulife na magbabayad sa'yo for life ng 5% of your coverage, life insurance, no? 5 years or 10 years lang magbabayad tapos secured ka na for life. Di ba ang ganda? Hindi katulad ng ibang plans na hulugan forever. And aside from that, there's also cash value plus policy loan options. Ito yung sinasabi po kanina na, for example, in case of emergency that you want to access some of the funds of your policy while waiting for the annual guaranteed payouts, you can have that facility to take a loan from your dividends. So meaning may value ang policy mo na pwede mong hiramin kung may emergency o biglaan kang pangangailangan. And also, there's an optional riders for an accident and disability para hindi lang pera kundi buong protection for you and for your family. In other words po, True Lifetime Income is not just about insurance, it's a complete financial strategy for you, dear business owners and executives. So imagine this, tapos ka nang magbayad ng 5 to 10 years, pero every year, may guaranteed payout ka. Diba? Secured pa yung family mo at may chance ka pang kumita ng extra through dividends. So that's why compared sa stocks, crypto, or kahit a real estate na investment option, no? Na unpredictable, mas free to kasi may guaranteed kang income strategy. No, kasi dito alam mong may sure ka na darating na income and same time protected na rin po yung family mo no matter what happens. Diba? So now alam mo na hindi mo na kailangang duman sa stress, pag volatile yung investment performance at hindi mo rin kailangan i-risk ang future ng family mo. The truth is, the smartest time to prepare is not tomorrow, it's today. Okay? That's why I want to invite you, I should say, to book your free financial counseling with me. Kasi meron po akong ino-offer din po na free workbook now or worksheet. We call that FNA or Financial Needs Analysis. In order, kaya kailangan ko po kayong makausap if ever you're interested in getting this guaranteed payouts na plan with ProLife of UK, so that we have to really check on it kung ano pa yung mga kailangan na need po natin based on your financial goals kasi we are financial doctor. Kailangan mo din po talagang makausap kasi may mga nag-aas na, okay, send nila na lang ang proposal. Personally, hindi po talaga ako nagsisend ng proposal without interviewing or asking kung ano yung financial goals ng client. Kasi iba-iba naman po. Like for example, iba yung retirement goal nung isang client ko. Yung isang client ko gusto niya magkaroon ng 100,000 na retirement allowance from True Life of UK. The other one is this 50/30s. Kaya that's why individual po. Kaya gusto ko pong makausap personally kahit ano lang exploratory meeting for yung i-conduct natin yung financial needs analysis para makita natin ano yung area of our financial planning na kailangan nating i-address. And if you have your existing life insurance plans already with other life insurance companies, that's great. Kasi with that financial need analysis session, makikita natin kung ano yung kailangan nating i-complement. Kasi I also heard a lot of clients na meron din silang may existing plan na with other life insurance company. Then when I do policy review with their existing plans, wala pala silang critical illness doon, ganyan. So, very important po that you have to sit down with your financial advisor talaga para ma-check po natin ano yung areas of your financial planning on your financial house ang need nating i-build ng stronger. Kasi po, you are building your financial house right now. So, kailangan yung pundasyon ng financial house natin is strong. Kasi totoo po as I mentioned, no one sickness, one sad events can really wipe out our savings. So, yung plan na to is also a safety net. No? whatever happens, hindi po talagang lalagapak yung family mo, no, if that if that happens. So, it's a free, wala pong bayad. Click niyo lang po yung set lang po kayo ng appointment, wala pong bayad, it's online and walang pressure. Gusto ko lang pong i-educate kayo. Ang dami pong reason why people is getting a life insurance. Puwedeng estate planning, okay? Puwedeng like this one that some of na gusto nila yung guaranteed payouts, whatever happens, may maiiwan yung family nila. There are a lot of purpose of insurance, legacy, estate creation, estate planning, wealth distribution, life insurance, of course, health insurance, retirement planning, educational fund, college funding, um, provident fund for the parents, ang dami po. So that's why kailangan nating upuan if you're interested kasi I know there's a lot of financial goals that we need to address. Just pure clarity lang on how you can secure the guaranteed income and protection for your family. Think of it as your personal roadmap, tailored sa lifestyle at goals mo. So click the button below, book your free session now. And let's make sure that no matter what happens, you and your family are financially secured. Remember, opportunities like this don't wait. The earlier you start, the bigger your peace of mind. Book your free financial counseling today.